Now that you have a Google account, you're probably wondering what it is you can do with it. One of the major things you can do with Google in education is use the Drive feature. I'm going to click on Drive in the top left. In this Google Drive account, you can see that I've got a couple of folders I've already created. To create a new folder, just go to Create on the left-hand side and click Folder. Now I've created my folder. If I want to create a document inside those folders, I just open one of the folders and on the left-hand side, click Create, Document. When I create a new document, you'll notice that it looks a whole lot like Microsoft Word. And it's true, it does. One of the first things you're going to want to do with your document is give it a title. To do so, just click on the Untitled Document title at the top. And click OK. So what I can do here is type my name and begin. Using the tools at the top, I can change all kinds of things about the text. You'll also notice at the top that it says All Changes Saved in Drive. Every change that you make is automatically saved. You don't have to go to File, Save, or anything like that, or be concerned about the computer shutting down. Everything is saved automatically in Drive as you're typing it. When you're finished, no need to save. Just close out. And now you're back to the Google Drive tab. The Create menu on the left-hand side gives you all kinds of applications that can be used within Google Drive. The first one is the one that we've used just now called Document. This is just like Microsoft Word. Presentation is like Microsoft PowerPoint. Spreadsheet is like Microsoft Excel. Form is kind of like Microsoft Access, a database manager, and Drawing is like Microsoft Paint. If we open up Presentation, you'll see that it takes you through a little wizard for how you would like your presentation to look. I'll choose Color Strip and click OK. You'll notice this looks a lot like Microsoft PowerPoint. I can click Untitled Presentation just like in my other document. And click to add a title. If I want to work together with some friends, I can click the Share button in the top right. To add friends, I click in the Invite People box. Type their name, and their email address will come up. I select their name, and then I give them edit access or commenting access, which means they can't change anything, they can just view it and comment on it, or just view only access. If I'd like to add a message to this invite, click Add Message, and then I can tell them that I'm inviting them. If I'd like to share just a link to this document, and I want them to click on a link to be able to edit it, at the very top, I change who has access to the document. I'll click on Change, and I'm going to make this anyone with an MSD of Wayne Township with the link can access this document. The items above it is anyone with an MSD of Wayne Township, meaning anybody could search and find it, who has a Wayne Township email address, or anyone with the link on the web. I also could make this publicly accessible on the web if I click the top option. For right now, I'm going to leave it at people with MSD of Wayne Township with the link can just view. I don't want to give everyone edit access. I want them all to just be able to view it. If I want to give edit access to people, I'll click Save right here, and I'll add their names to the list here and let them edit individually. When I'm finished, I click Share and Save. Now my friend's name has been listed right here. I can delete them, or I can change the access that they have as well. When I'm finished completely, I can click Done. But if I've given someone the access to view it with the link, I'll grab this link right here and copy it. Then I can paste this link in an email, or I can put it on My Bay Campus, just anywhere where I know my friends are going to access the document. When I'm finished, I'll click Done. If I want to go back to Google Drive, I can just click the tab at the top left side. It takes me right back to my Google Drive account. I click on My Drive at the top. If I want to see what's in any of the folders, I can just click on the folders themselves. If anyone has shared a document with me, I click on Shared with Me, and those documents will show up in the list right here. If I'd like to search for any documents, I can click on My Drive at the top, and in the search box at the top, I can type in, and you'll notice I have two documents called This Is My First Document. Clicking on either of them will open up my document. Now that you know the basics of Google Drive, you can start sharing, learning, and collaborating.